An absolute disaster, so this might get 2 views. I usually start cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. Tonight we're in my parents' camper, Wils-Ann, her camper. We're gonna make her famous Scotcharoos. Let me take you along for the ride. First things first, let's get our burners going. 2 cups of Karo syrup. 2 cups of granulated sugar. If you live in the Midwest and have had a Scotcheroo that's been rock hard, it's because they overcooked it. The key here is to just melt the sugar into the Karo syrup. You want to just let it melt in. Medium rare, that's what we're going for. All right, we're ready for the next step, which is adding peanut butter. And of course my mom doesn't know.
This is camper version.
Camper version. We like our peanut butter around here. I love peanut butter. Let me show you what we got going on here. With our peanut butter mixed in.
Oh, there's still a chunk.
That is so perfect. This smells like the Midwest.
Peanut butter?
Peanut butter and sugar. Rice Krispies, shout out to Kellogg's. How many of these?
I like to not get a lot of them.
I know. I think the key with your Rice Krispies is to use, you need enough that it'll soak it up, but you don't want too many that's crunchy. So we do a whole bag.
Yeah, but stir half of it.
It is helpful to have a helper to do this. How many pans of Scotcheroos do you think you've made in your lifetime?
Gosh, I don't know. I used to make them for the football team every Friday.
And for the softball team and baseball team too.
Yeah.
One whole bag.
There should be no dry Rice Krispie.
You hear that? There should be no dry Rice Krispie left behind.
And I'm sorry, but Kellogg's is the best. No off-brand.
Show the world. This is what you're going for. See how there's nothing that's dry. And then I have a greased 9x13. Yes, we're using plastic. We're in the camper. Scrape the rest out.
Kind of a control freak with these. That's what.
Can you repeat?
Kind of a control freak with these.
Can I do this part? So if you are my husband, you would stop here and not put chocolate on top.
Amen.
That's what he prefers. The key to a good Midwest Scotcheroo is to put some chocolate on top. It's a mixture of milk chocolate chips and butterscotch. Heavier on the milk chocolate, right?
I do 3. So
What do you do?
Milk chocolate
What do I know? See, I don't know the rules. Use milk chocolate, semi-sweet.
and butterscotch.
Okay.
And I don't use as much butterscotch as like what other people do because of the same reason what you just said.
Yeah, it's icky. Are we gonna let these cool for a bit and then put the chocolate on?
No.
Milk chocolate chips. That much.
No.
That much. 6 ounces-ish. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. 5 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And a sprinkle of butterscotch. You don't need very many. This goes in the microwave. If you've ever microwaved, you know, we're running a cooking show here. This is how you do things. If you've ever microwaved chocolate chips, less is more. So start out with 30 seconds, stir it, and then 10-second increments at most. Stop laughing at me.
The look Wils-Ann is giving you right now says otherwise.
Wils-Ann, would you like to be in the camera? Exactly. She doesn't want to talk, so I have to do all the talking.
Because she's like, oh.
We're gonna go for another 30-second increment.
I personally start out at a minute.
Some of us are less risky.
Just do 30 seconds.
I love this. I love cooking with you. My live audience is running away.
Okay.
That's perfect. When you get to this point, just keep stirring until the chocolate chips melt right in. It doesn't need any more time in the microwave.
God made chocolate for women.
Seems like a lot.
Take a thumb it up.
I bet you do good.
Patience, honey.
I like a thinner layer versus like the ones that are like a 1-to-1 where you like go to bite into it and it's like this much Scotcheroo and this much chocolate.
I don't think this lady has seen Cooking with Kira.
Now, have you seen Cooking with Kira?
I don't subscribe to Cooking with Kira because then it won't come up on my page.
You don't follow?
I don't follow.
You don't follow me? My mom just admitted she doesn't follow me on social media.
It just pops up on my...
That's it. You're going to a nursing home.
Guys, when I started, I'm gonna cry right now. When I started this, I was like, my mom will follow me, my husband will follow me, my grandma, and my best friend. And my mom doesn't even follow me.
It won't come up on my For You page, so I just go search for Cooking with Kira.
If you follow, it will come up. If you engage. No Scotcharoos for you.
That's my ingredients.
I don't care.
I think you
Not
just put it at home.
I'm not sharing. Thanks for sticking around. We're going to show you a taste test a little bit later. I have a special guest that's going to make an appearance.
Oh yeah, it's recording. That's hilarious.
Okay.
Cheersing.
Okay,
Guys,
ready?
this is gonna be so. What are you gonna talk over it?
Or if they suck, say that too.
They don't suck. They're the best. Don't talk with your mouth full.
Sisters.
Thanks for sticking around. And they're still gooey. When they're gooey. They're fabulous.